Hey, hey, hey! Happy Sunday, everyone! I hope everyone
all-time
is
favorite.
good.
And this
Today,
one is
mag-mini vlog tayo. Samahan niyo kami ni Aisha. Kasama
apple.
kami dalawa
So
today
big.
kasi it's Mom's Day off
No, that's
day.
in chocolate.
Ayan.
Let's go. Yummy gelato. To the donut shop. The new donut shop in town. My workmates told me about this donuts.
I love
Yeah.
pasta.
Let's try their donuts. I see. New donut shop in town. Birthday. Pick which one they love.
This and lava.
No, I like this one with fillings.
I
Let's
don't
try
like
that one. Nuts looks like Katy Perry. Try that one.
Nay.
Yeah. It's donuts. Aisha had the cinnamon. Yummy. Next up is Kmart. I went out late now, guys. Kaya sarado na yung mga shops. It's Sunday. At close na ang aga close. 3 o'clock, it's sarado.
So, in Australia, guys, pag Sunday, maaga yan nagsasara
What is
sila.
that?
3 o'clock
I
na
just
sarado
found the
na siya.
same
Pero,
shirt from
may mga
the
shops na
thing, but
open
it
like
was-
Kmart,
it's $10
Target.
only.
Ayun, bukas pa sila. Pero
What
I
size?
think mga 6
Yeah,
o'clock
small.
lang
It fit.
sila hanggang
Probably would, yeah.
ganun. Kasi
I wanna
alam
look
mo
like
na,
you,
importante yung
Please,
family day dito sa
So,
Australia.
I'm looking for a yellow formal polo shirt uniform. And I cannot find yellow anywhere because it's winter.
Spider-Man.
Yellow is on summer. I like this one for daddy, but it has SpongeBob. This is our favorite section in the department store.
God.
You already have this one, huh?
No. No.
Oh, this one. Huh?
Oh, I love you. I'd do anything.
Wait, you do anything?
Yeah,
You
I'd
don't
do
wash the
anything
kitchen.
for Batman. No.
How can you make
no,
money?
for him. No.
Oh, this one is nice.
It's got all his gear, but that's
So, bibili na naman sa'yo siya ng Batman.
my dream.
How much is this?
39.
Do you have money?
No.
No, you don't. Do you work at home?
Really?
This one, how much is this? This one is, you have this one already, right?
No.
You don't have this one.
My
But then-
baby girl is back somewhere. I don't know where he went.
We need a pet at home. the remote dog. I think I need this at home. So, Aisha found one. Oh,
He's Lechonk. He's Lechon, and you eat him. You take off his skin, and you.
so where's the lechon here?
You sit-
Ah, that's part of
his
Pokemon.
name, yeah, his name's Lechonk. They
Lechonk.
boast. They both.
Lechon gourmet broccoli. It's in short lechon.
He's. I eat him.
Lechon in Philippines. Okay, come on na.
Where's
Are you
the
done?
cat? I want.
Hindi naman yan bibili kasi wala siyang pera. Hindi, nagtamad-tamadan siya so wala siyang pera. Hindi siya naglinis ng bahay kaya wala siyang pera. Oh, di ba? Kaya tingin-tingin lang muna siya. Ayan.
Our last stop is Woolies. Hindi makompleto yung araw pag hindi kami dadaan dito. So, we're getting our knickknacks like mga chips at mga junk.
Trolley.
Kasi it's Aisha's semester break and she needs more junk at home while mommy at work. Kaya,
Welcome to Woolies. Aisha, over here. I need the pork crapple first if there's a pork crapple. Cat food for dog. So there's no roast pork. I'll just get this one. The head grill. Ah, So this one also for the lang. Or this one, $5 name, lucky. This one is good. It's more fresh. Mandarins. My just favorite. One
I
for
have
me.
this chisel.
Jesus. One.
One only.
Two.
I'm not having the other one on. Squirm. Squirm. $3. What?
Big bag.
Okay.
Dad.
Huh?
What about daddy's chips?
I don't know. He said no snacks for me. I am on
No
diet."
snacks, no chocolates for dad?
He said that.
Okay. Let's go, let's pay for it. I was so tired na pag uwi ko dito sa bahay after our day-to-day nag-shopping, naglakad-lakad sa town. Kain-kain. Kaya nag-mini-vlog na lang ako ngayon kasi nabobored ako sa araw ng linggo at ang lamig. Ayan. I'd rather stay here in bed than dun sa labas kasi malamig doon. And dito, I keep myself warm dahil meron akong electric blanket. Masarap na chips. Good night.